To connect to Phantom Wallet using a recovery phrase, you first need to understand what a recovery phrase is and its significance in wallet recovery. A recovery phrase is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet and access your funds. In case you lose access to your original wallet, the first step is to ensure you have your recovery phrase ready. This phrase is usually provided when you first set up your Phantom Wallet, and it is essential to keep it safe and secure. If you have not written down or stored your recovery phrase, you will not be able to recover your wallet. Next, you need to download and install the Phantom Wallet application on your device if you have not already done so. Once installed, open the application and click on the Import Wallet option. Here, you will be asked to enter your recovery phrase. Carefully type in the words of your recovery phrase, usually 12 or 24 words, making sure to enter them in the correct order. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be prompted to create a new password for your wallet. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect it from unauthorized access. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before and make sure to store it safely. Once you have entered your recovery phrase and created a new password, your Phantom Wallet will be restored, and you will be able to access your funds. It is essential to note that anyone with access to your recovery phrase can restore your wallet and access your funds, so it is crucial to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure. Best practices for securing your recovery phrase include storing it in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking application. You should also make sure to not share your recovery phrase with anyone and to never store it on an internet-connected device. In conclusion, connecting to Phantom Wallet using a recovery phrase is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail and a focus on security. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the safe recovery of your wallet and protect your funds from unauthorized access.